Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe video, and this time it's a cake from Indonesia and we call it Kue Lapis, which translated to layer cake. This time the flavor is with pumpkin and chocolate. This is a traditional cake, and check out the full video if you'd like to see how I make it. Bye! So this is 230 gram of roasted mashed pumpkin. As you can see, some of the roasted skin there. I didn't peel it nicely. So this was frozen and I thawed it, and I'm not gonna squeeze out the juice there. So this is 230 grams. So for the batter, this is 105 gram of tapioca flour, tapioca flour, and 255 gram of rice flour, and 1 cup of sugar, a generous pinch of coarse kosher salt. We just gonna mix it. And over here I have 2 cans of coconut milk that I heated in microwave for like at least 2.5 minutes. So it is pretty warm or hot to the touch. So we're just gonna mix it, and we're gonna pour in some of the coconut milk. When you add the coconut milk, you can whisk with balloon whisk to make it easier. What you want to achieve is smooth batter, so no clumps, no lumps or anything that isn't mixed properly. Now pour this batter mixture into your food processor or an electric blender. Add in the mashed or pureed pumpkin and the rest of the coconut milk. And then we're gonna process this until completely combined. Once it's mixed, you just want to run it through a strainer and get rid of those skin. Now we're gonna divide the batter in half. Gonna halve it and pour into 2 balls. Add 1 tablespoon of Hershey's cocoa powder and about 1 heaping teaspoon of vanilla essence, and just mix it until completely combined. You can use your whisk balloon for this as well. I think I want to make it darker, so I'm gonna add another half tablespoon. You can adjust the vanilla as well. So now we have to preheat your steamer. Once the water's boiled, we're gonna lower the heat. Right now it's on high. We're gonna lower the heat and then let the water simmer, and then we're gonna steam our cake. You want to steam the batter per layer, so you can start either with the chocolate batter first or the pumpkin batter whichever you like, it's fine, but you want to steam them per layer. So on the very last layer, we're gonna steam the whole cake for 15 to 18 minutes to make sure the layers all properly cooked. Once cake is steamed, cool it completely to room temperature before we slice it.